Happy holidays, y'all. This is John Gilbert at Security First Asset Management. All of us at Security First just want to take some time to wish the season's best upon you and your family, whether that is to wish you a Merry Christmas or a Happy Hanukkah or whatever holiday it is that you celebrate. As the year comes to a close, we just want to take some time to express our gratitude and our appreciation to our clients and for those that bring so much joy into our lives throughout the years. In conjunction with that, just wanted to announce our upcoming client appreciation event. That is going to be happening in January 31st. So that's the last day of January on a Saturday. This year, the client appreciation event is going to be a little bit earlier. It's going to be around lunchtime, 11:30, at the Marriott City Center in Macon. If y'all have any questions about that, or you would like to attend, please give us a call to RSVP. The theme for this year is 1960s Flower Child. So y'all go dig through your closets, go out, buy a costume, or just come in your regular street clothes. We'd love to have you however you would like to show up to that event. Also, with the end of the year wrapping up, we have our fourth quarter referral drawing that is going to be happening soon. That is to win a $100 Walmart gift card. To get your name entered into that drawing, you just need to invite a friend to attend an event or to meet with an advisor. Alrighty, now let's get on to what was going on in markets last week. So last week, that's December 8th to December 12th. The big news in markets was the Federal Open Market Committee meeting. Right, and so that is the Federal Reserve. Those officials, they come together, they meet, and they decide whether or not they're going to do a rate cut. So they did decide to do a rate cut at that meeting. Now that was widely expected, and they cut the rate by 0.25% or 25 basis points. Now, after the meeting, there was some commentary from the Fed Chair, Jerome Powell, that suggested that the Federal Open Market Committee will remain responsive to further weakness in the labor market, and the committee remains optimistic that inflation will continue to cool. Now, markets in general reacted very favorably to the rate cut, but perhaps even more so around the broader messaging from the central bank about their stand on an economic policy and their outlook going forward into 2026. Now, most of the major domestic equity indexes rose in response to this news and hit all-time highs last week. So the small cap Russell 2000, small cap stocks are often more sensitive to interest rate moves as opposed to the larger cap companies. So the small cap Russell 2000 performed the best last week, adding 1.19%, followed by the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which had a 1.05% gain. The S&P Mid-Cap 400 rose more modestly. The S&P 500 hit an all-time high earlier in the week before pulling back sharply on Friday to more than erase its weekly gains. Meanwhile, the renewed concerns regarding tech stock valuations and questions around the elevated spending on artificial intelligence, whether that will pay off in the short term at least, caused the tech-heavy NASDAQ composite to fall 1.62% last week. Now, these concerns came in around tech stocks and AI, came into focus after some less than favorable quarterly revenue results by software and AI companies were announced. So that kind of caused a little bit of that nervousness in that sector, which caused them to pull back. But in general, markets reacted favorably to the news from the Federal Reserve. Now, if any of y'all have any questions or would like to schedule a review or would like to RSVP to our client appreciation event, please reach out to us. We would love to see all of y'all at that event in January. That's January 31st at 11:30. So that right around noon, and that is going to be happening at the Marriott Macon City Center, right there at the Coliseum. Thank y'all so much for tuning in, and once again, happy holidays and season's best to all of y'all. Thank you so much.